Hi, I'm Josh Isbell. For the past decade, I've been flipping houses.
Wow.
Oh wow, it really does look good. Buckle up as you get to witness some of our greatest successes.
This
is perfect. Unfortunate mishaps.
Holy jeez, dude. We're gonna have to redo this entire house.
And a few terrible jokes.
You know why I don't like trees? They're a little shady. I'm sorry, I've been out here for a while.
To produce some of the most breathtaking flips in the Central Texas area. This is my team, and we are Flippin Texas. So I've done a few of these before.
Yeah, kitchen fire can't be that bad.
Yeah.
Holy jeez, dude.
Yeah, this is actually a lot more than, we're gonna have to redo this entire house. Look,
Yeah.
you have cracks up there. You have cracks there.
Oh man. Here's our kitchen fire.
Ugh,
Something's rank. So don't touch anything in here though.
I don't want to.
They did tell me that, look at this. Look at this whole section here.
All the sheetrock's gonna come out. Yeah, it's bad.
But this whole thing, we have to tear out.
Yeah,
All this,
cabinets gotta come out. Everything.
I think her bird pooped, or is that wax?
That's disgusting, dude. Show me the rest of the house.
It looks like somebody just set it looks like somebody just set these newspapers right there and just like caught it on fire.
Got some vittles, some groceries. You
You want some peanut butter?
think it's still good? Is it Jif crunchy?
I don't know. Here, I'll give you $1.
I'm good. Never mind.
I'll give you
no.
There's something bad in there.
Kitchen will be for sure.
Oh, let's go check out the other one.
All right.
Let's check out the other room.
Okay.
This room and this room, you can tell the door was closed.
Oh.
There's something dead in here. Those are tears of joy.
Sure they are. I'll check out the bathroom. Luckily, the master doesn't look that bad. A little bit of soot, maybe some cleaning up, but
I don't know what that smell is there.
it's bad. Definitely might have to take some kills, something to get rid of that smell.
Oh, I got an idea.
You definitely need some. No, do it.
Oh, that's better.
He won't do it.
We're gonna have to rip everything out of here. I don't even.
Yeah, I don't even know if kills can actually put a dent in this.
All right, let's get out.
Okay, I'm good.
Anyways, this is one of my owners that their house caught on fire, and she called, asked us to come in, take a look at it because she's out of town. So we've got ourselves a firehouse to remodel.
Bro, got a little something right there.
You got something right there.
Oh,
Right, it's
I
right.
get it. You get it?
No.
You get it?
Don't touch me.
Okay, you got it. I'm good.
We got it?
Okay.
Okay.
We got our work cut out for us on this one.
Yeah,
That is
so
a disaster.
we're gonna have to send in the crew to clear this place out, and then we can actually start the remodel. But there's Big Red.
Bro, come on.
It's not even open.
Drink it. You won't do it.
Look, listen. Not even open.
Go ahead. Guarantee it's got squays on it.
No, it smells brand new.
Get you some. Come on.
You just snot on me?
No.
It tastes good.
Sure does.
So we're gonna get this all cleared out, then we're gonna get back in here and figure out the designs. It's actually really good.
Glad you're enjoying it.
Tastes a little boiled.
Here we are. It's a beautiful morning. It's gorgeous outside. Overcast. Perfect for demo.
We're gonna basically get everything out of here. We've already got the crews rolling, tearing stuff out. I need a blank canvas. This is Chuck's perfect day. He loves this stuff. But yeah, let's get started.
Let's tackle that smell, buddy.
I'm not manly enough. Check that. Good. We're good. There we go. All right. I'm gonna let you finish up.
Of course you are. Oh, did you get it dirty?
I did. Look right there.
On his shirt too.
I did. It's tragic.
It's like I was sprayed with water.
They're gonna dump this. We're gonna spray the, start spraying the walls, get them wiped down.
Yeah.
Probably by Friday, we'll be able to be ready to start painting.
Yeah.
Let's get everything finished up.
All right.
Okay, so we're actually making really good progress on this house. This is a little bit different flip for me. Normally, I know that I'm selling the house, but everything in here is gonna be built so that it can withstand tenants, because homeowners and tenants take care of things completely different. So while I'm tenant proofing this house, I'm gonna add a couple things. I am getting rid of anything plastic like the bathtubs. I'm getting rid of stuff that can easily be damaged. I'm putting luxury vinyl plank in here. Why are we actually going above what it actually had in there? Because I have to make sure that I can go from $1,000 a month to about $1,300 to $1,400 a month. We need to take this bad situation and turn it into a good actual investment situation for the owner. So that's what we're doing right now. We've got everything ordered, and actually, yeah, looks like crap in here, but it doesn't smell like it anymore. So we got to get to work. With everything coming down to the wire, I've got Chuck going to pick up the cabinets, and then once those are in, I've got my flooring guys putting in all my new LVP. The tile for the bathroom actually caused some delays because our first order came in broken. Thankfully, we were able to finish up everything right before the tenants had to move in.
They're literally moving in right now. We came down to the very last seconds on this house to get them moved in on time. So the kitchen itself, one thing that you need to see, and you can hear them moving in, definitely recommend this, soft closes. You have two people mad, people trying to slam your stuff, soft close, save you a bunch of money in replacement. All of them are like this, soft close. Luxury vinyl planking, this whole house has it. Shower, everything, all this, beautiful. All the hard surfaces, everywhere you look, hard surfaces. Every bathroom, every place. The only thing that they can really break in here is going to be the sheetrock, which that's easy to replace. Flooring will cost you money. We are down to the last seconds. Literally, because of the delays with the tile being broken and everything, had to get this stuff in here. Super glad we got it done.
You might as well cut, guys.